www.noodleworzch.com. Yeah, my name's Ty, and I thought so of creating a video on how, to show you how you could create a very basic uh, HTML web page using Notepad. So let's go straight ahead, open your Notepad, and then what you first have to know is the tag itself. So you just have to take HTML and then another, copy that, and you have to just use some sort of a backslash, a slash. So that will be your open and close HTML tag. Websites or the very basic or the conventional websites using HTML format, they use HTML tags, PHP tags, they also use that, ASPs as well. So you might want to type anything in there. So you want to type in Noodle Boss and then just save that. Okay. First, we're going to save that on a desktop. Let's just say index. You have to type in index because if you're going to use this on your main page, it's going to be pulled up. All web pages or websites, they pull itself on an index file first. So if you're going to use this as a different page, you might want to rename that as a different page, like about. So let's start off with index. I'm going to show you how to change that later to about. So when you open that, it's just going to be a text file. So it really wouldn't load as a website. It wouldn't even bring up Firefox for your testing. So you might want to change the extension. It says in there index.txt. If you don't have the extension showing, you might want to go back, go to tools. Sorry, let me show it back again. Load up any file explorer or folder explorer if you're using Windows 98 or older versions. Go to tools, right in there, you got file, edit, view, tools, help. Go to tools, click on folder options, and it's gonna bring you 3 tabs. Click on view, and you got that something that says show hidden files, folders, and drives. You might want to check that. And something that says hide extensions from known file types. Take a look at here, index.txt. You know this already, but for those, you might want to try this. If you click on that and then you select apply, it's going to remove that. It's just going to say index. It's going to show itself or display the file name itself without the extension. Extensions are the containers of a file. If it's JPEG, MPEG, MP4, or whatever, HTML in case, or text for a text notepad. So you might want to uncheck that so that it would show. Click on apply, click on OK, X on that. And again, double click, it's just going to be notepad. F2 to rename, or double click, and just type in HTML. Select enter. It's going to ask you to change file extension. You want to do that? Yes, I do. It would give you an icon for your default browser. In my case, it would be Firefox. So if you double click on that, it's going to load as a web page. If you load this to your server, if you have a web server or a cPanel or MySQL driven website, you can load this to that and it's going to be pulled up as a home page. Again, index files will be your home page. If you change that, let's copy that and change that to, let's say, about. Oh, sorry, one more time. If your about page would be placed in a folder itself for the main directory, of your website, even though you name that about HTML, the index file is the first one that's going to be bring up. You just have to link it back so that you could have something to click on to bring you to about. So let's close that. And again, if you want to change this, take a look at that. So it's just simple plain text. So we would want to make that bold. I got edit Notepad with C++, but you know that. So uh, this is what I do. Just open up another Notepad, and then it will be easy for you. Just bring it there. It's gonna load again. So let me do that back again, so you don't have to do any hassle or something. Click on open Notepad for your command prompt, and just click, drag, bring it there, and here we're gonna make that as a header file. Say h1, and literally it should be like this: h1 and closing tag h1. But you could also use that in line breaks like this. So save it, Control S or Command S, and whatever PC you're using, you know how to save. And see, H1 is gonna change to a header, or I mean a headline text. So again, bring up Notepad, one more, and try to load some of the text. Here, you say paragraph P and another /P. So I'm trying to burp. I just ate breakfast. Try to type in anything there. The quick brown dog jump over the angry fox when the boy cried Rapunzel. Okay, let's do that. Again, remember that opening tag and closing tag, the only difference there is it should contain a slash, a forward slash, for the closing tag. So remember that. It's going to give you an error if you don't. So double click, save, and double click, see. It's going to have you. It's going to have that. So if you want to center, again, let's try to center. Notepad. We're going to bring them all to the center. Click, drag, release, and then type something that says, here, go back, here. The, take a look here. The reason why I'm trying to put those here and here, because it encloses the text that you'd want to be a paragraph. This is the paragraph text right here. This is the closing tag. This is the opening tag. So it's sort of like this is the door 1 and door 2. It encloses that. So that is the thing that you have to always remember. You should enclose something that you'd want to be emphasized. Like you want to make it a text, you want to make it a headline, you want to make it an H1 font. You always have to use that enclosed with tags. So again, here, so right on top. So how are you gonna do that? So here should be enclosed with something that says center. The center code is like this: center. Type in center here slash center. Oh, and Control S and bring it back again. See, this is the one centered, and that's the one on the left side. So if you want to bring them all to the center, so let's bring that there. Copy this, and also copy that. Then let's just say don't close here. See, it's right in there. It's a working website now. So when we make backlinks and others, that's how you basically create a website. Again, text sites would load very fast since it's only text files. If you want to add images, you're going to be using a little bit of a bandwidth, so you're going to be using a much higher server for that. So for now, that's going to be our tutorial for a very basic HTML, or starting up a website using HTML form. And do check out our other videos in case you want to subscribe. Try to look for the link below. Again, my name's Ty. See you back, noodleworzch.com, for other videos and tech reviews and other things that you want to check out about anything.